Hi guys, what's up? So this time we are going to Kudremukh trek. So it's 6:20 in the morning. We almost reached Kalasa, and our homestay guy will come and pick us up. So we'll keep you updated. This is how it is looking now. The homestay jeep came to pick us up, and we are on the way to homestay, which is in Mulodi, and it's around 18 kilometers from Kalasa. And this is how the road it is currently. It's fully muddy, and only the 4x4 jeep can only come here. It's 8:45 in the morning, and we are at the forest check post. So we have to take a permission here by paying 450 rupees per head, and guide is mandatory. So everything is sorted up by the homestay guy, and we are waiting here to take the permission. And in a day, only 50 people are allowed to trek. So permission is very compulsory. There's no chance of missing the trail for two reasons. One is the path is pretty clear, and the other one is the guide is compulsory. So you don't have to worry about the trail. Good news, there are a couple of leeches around, so hopefully we'll get leeches bitten. The leeches population is a lot when we are inside the thick forest, and it's all damp, and the leeches are just everywhere, so it's getting on to everyone. But we can't stop and remove it, because by the time we stop, some 4 more leeches will bite you. So we just have to keep walking despite leeches getting on us. And since there is not much of rain, these water crossings are pretty empty. So the best part is you don't have to wet your shoes, and you'll get enough water to drink. The initial 3 kilometers was pretty easy, and 7 more kilometers to go. We have covered close to 4 kilometers so far, and the view is getting better with every step we climb. And this is the view currently. That is the Bavikunda peak according to Renuka. Currently, after like 4 kilometers, we started ascending now. I think this is a steep ascent, and it needs a lot of energy and a lot of breaks, of course. So people are already tired and they're sitting there. So I'm just waiting for them. Just to talk few words about Kudremukh trek is that this is the third highest peak in Karnataka, followed by Mullangiri, which is the first one, and Baba Budangiri is the second one. Kudremukh peak is measured at 1892 meters. Well, this is Vantimara, literally translate to English in lonely tree. So this is the only tree among all the grasslands surrounding it. This is Vantimara. It marks half the completion of the trek. So this is at exactly 5 kilometers from the check post, and another 5 kilometers to go. But look at the view, guys. The clouds are kissing the mountains, and the view is breathtaking. I think we have done like 70% of the trek, and 30 more percent is remaining. So we are passing through this trail which has a lot of open grassland, followed by forest, then again followed by an open grassland. and then and there you can see the water streams like this, which act as a water source for drinking. You can directly drink this water. I think the fun of trekking Kudremukha starts only after the first half, where you are complemented by amazing landscapes. Currently the grass is little brown. During monsoon it will be completely green. I think the only thing missing in our trek is the rains. I hope it rains today because I have got the rain jacket and everything. I don't want it to go waste. Hopefully it will rain by the time we start descending. It's 12 in the afternoon and it's been 2.5 hours since we are trekking. I think we covered around 7 kilometers, 3 more kilometers to go, and the last stretch is pretty steep. We'll reach the peak in an hour at max. Can you see people coming all the way? Well, we are another 2 kilometers away from the peak. This stretch especially is the toughest part of the stretch. It's getting covered by the mist. So the mist is playing a game where it keeps coming, it blocks the entire view and it suddenly goes off and it keeps coming again. We are very close to the peak. It's another like 500 meters away, and there was a last source of water. So if you are coming here, just fill up the water bottles and then go, because mostly you'll be having lunch there, so you will need more water. Even though we couldn't get a very good view of the surrounding valleys, but the climate is so good that you definitely want to come here at least once in our lifetime. It's 12:40 in the afternoon and we are almost near the Kudremukha peak, and the climate is pretty good. It's completely fogged up here. I can't see, there is a visibility of less than like 10 meters, but the climate is so good. It's all mist and all, so it's cool. Breeze is coming on your face, so all your tiredness just go away. Our guide are still below, and yeah, other team has left, so I'll just go now. It's scary to stay here alone. Yeah, let's go. This is the Kudremukha peak, altitude at 1892 meters from sea level. Well, it's exactly 12:45 in the afternoon, and the relief app says like we took around 3 hours 6 minutes to reach here, and we covered total distance of 8.3 kilometers, whereas the actual distance is around 10 kilometers, and it was pretty good trek. And enjoy the time lapse now. It's lunchtime. Well, as soon as we started descending at 1 in the afternoon, it started raining cats and dogs. Trekking in the rain was totally a different experience. The roads were a little slippery, so there were people falling here and there, but overall they managed to descend safely. 4:30 in the evening. The rain has stopped and we are almost at the base. I think it'll take half an hour more to reach the base. It's 5 in the evening and finally we reached back, and we took around 4 hours to reach the base because of the rain. The descent was difficult but it was thrilling. The roads were slippery, so it was really difficult, especially if you are not wearing a rain jacket or if you have very bad shoes. But for me it was a really thrilling experience for getting into Kudremukh. I tried 2 to 3 times to come to Kudremukh and finally it happened in the month of June end. So here I am signing off. So stay tuned for my upcoming videos. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. Signing off, Saga Saga.